Good evening, Kate. Hope you are well. I thought that rather than trying to explain this through text or an email, it might just be easier once again to send this to you via a Zoom video that I'm then going to post as a YouTube. So let me just share my screen first. And hopefully you can see APT. I'm just going to move this over here where no one seems to care. And I don't need that anymore. Okay. So normally come here and I am connected to my normal Canon 6D. I'm going to disconnect the Canon 6D. Now, normally when you click connect, it automatically clicks and selects the last camera that you used. So if I click it again, it's going to connect to the Canon 6D. Makes sense? I'll disconnect. Now I'm going to unplug it and switch it over to my planetary camera. Now I'm using a Player One planetary camera. Of course, you folks are using the ZWO224MC that's out there. So I just plugged that in. Mine is called a Series M, which I don't think exists in APT's memory, but I have a way to get to it. Now, the important thing is, forget the camera for the time being. The important thing is that instead of just clicking connect, you hold the shift key down and click connect. Then it gives you the option with the pop-up menu of selecting different cameras. In this case, you're going to choose the CCD option, or in other words, not the Canon nor the Nikon option. And if I click on it, you should see ZWO. And I would suggest you click on it, and then under NA, because it's not going to find anything, you should have the 224MC sitting there ready to select. And then select it, hit OK. In my case, just so I can show you this, I'm going to click on ASCOM, because I use ASCOM to connect to this device. It's going to ask you to select the device, which I will do in a second. And there's my Player One camera. And now I'm connected. And you'll notice down here, it's actually even calculated the pixel sizes and all the kinds of exciting stuff. So the camera width height is auto-populated in the Tools tab. You don't have to do anything when you do that, which is really cool. So normally you come to the Tools tab, and down here, you would have your Canon 6D chosen. And in your case, you'd have 910 in your focal length and 130 in your scope diameter. In my case, because I'm using this guide scope, it's a much, much smaller telescope. So it's 130 by 30 in my case, 910 by 130 in your case. You don't have to touch anything here because this is automatically detected from the connection camera. So if you had the Canon 6D, it'd be whatever the pixel sizes is for the Canon 6D. In my case, because I'm using the Player One camera, it knows to use 4.8 by 3.6. So look, it's done exactly that. So it's automatically configured and all set to go. After that, all you need to do is click to your plate solving and go from there and see if that works. Okay, so that should be it. It should be a really quick process. Hopefully that works for you. And that's where you need to go from here. Okay, hope that works for you. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.